Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about whom should not eat ginger. As you know, ginger is very beneficial to enhance your digestive fire, and not only this, it has tremendous more benefits. But there are certain situations when you should not eat ginger, and today in this video I am going to talk about all these things when you should not take ginger, so that there should be no confusion for people and everybody can use ginger wisely. We all know ginger helps in restoring our digestive fire according to Ayurveda principles. So first and very important condition and not to consume ginger is acidity. Many times this happen if people have pain because of acidity or acidity issues. They feel this acidity is maybe because of indigestion, and they pre-assume like maybe their digestion is weak, that's why it is causing acidity, and they start taking ginger, which will aggravate their situation. So if you have any acidity problems, either you or in your family, stop using ginger, because acidity most of the times happens because of excess heat in your system, and ginger is one herb that is responsible for enhancing your digestive fire more. So if you have acidity issues, you should not consume ginger. And next situation when you should not consume ginger is ulcers in the stomach. If somebody has bleeding ulcers or ulcers in the stomach, or stomatitis in the mouth. Stomatitis means there is some kind of mouth ulcers develop inside your lips and inside your mouth. All those people who have such situation, they should not consume ginger, because if they consume ginger, it will aggravate the situation and more ulcers will come and more stomach pain will happen. So in all these cases, you should avoid the use of ginger. Actually, all these Ayurveda medicines are very beneficial, but at the same time it is also very important you just not pick and choose just like that. You should also use these things properly. As you know, ginger is a very potent herb and very good spice if you have healthy digestive fire or if you have weak digestive fire, but it is not for those people who have excess pitta in the system or excessive heat in the system or acidity issues or ulcer problems. Also, many people have written to me like they are taking medicines for their blood thinning. Like aspirin and many other blood thinning medicines are, especially cardiac patients. Though ginger is good for cardiac patients, but if you are taking any kind of this medicine which is diluting your blood, which is thinning your blood, so all these people should avoid ginger. Because ginger is also to some extent responsible for thinning your blood, because to some extent ginger also has a property to make your blood more thinning. So if you are taking some medicine for thinning your blood, then you please take the advice of your doctor and decide the dose of the medicine accordingly, because if you are taking ginger and you are taking medicine also, it can make your blood very thin. So it's very important either you stop taking ginger or you consult your doctor, like will use of ginger will impact this medicine or not. Accordingly, your doctor will decide the dose for you. In addition to that, if somebody has burning micturition because of excess heat in the system, not because of any kind of infection, because as you know, burning micturition, that is irritation in the urine. While passing urine, the burning sensation happens. Many times this burning sensation happens because of UTI. Most of the times it happens because of UTI. But in some people there is a problem of recurrent UTI and many times lower stomach pain. Many times this pain is related with some uterus issues or urinary bladder issues, or sometimes with ureter. So many other things are involved, but one of the reason is also when there is excessive heat in the system, then also lower stomach pain happens. So because of excessive heat in the system, that also causes pain in the lower part of the stomach. So it's very important, if you are thinking of if you are thinking of using ginger in such situation, you should avoid and please go for the proper diagnosis. Enhance the water intake whenever you feel there is excess heat in the system, or if you feel some other symptom, like if your hunger goes down for some reasons and you are not feeling hungry, then also you please stop using ginger and also consult some Ayurveda doctor, like why this is happening. If you are having any liver disorder like hepatitis and any kind of this thing, then also you should avoid the use of ginger, because that will enhance the heat on the system, that will enhance the pitta, and it will enhance the pitta dosha locally into some organ, and it is not so good for health. So, for all other these situations you can have Ayurveda consultation, but generally whenever there is excess heat in the system, whenever there is acidity, these are the main two things which people are getting confused, and they keep using ginger and the results are not so good. So this video was all about this. And if you have acidity issues and other excessive heat in the system, regarding that I already have created videos. Please go through my channel and search these topics and you will find enough information. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. Also, if you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.